Hi everyone, hope you're all ticking the boo. Today we've got the Canon EOS R with the RF 24-70 and we're going to be balancing it on the Weebill 2, that's a Zhiyun Weebill 2. And if you're interested in different setups, there's loads of links up there or they'll be in the description down below of things like the R6 and different types of gimbals as well if you're interested in them. But before we start, I always give you a little joke, don't I? What is the tallest building in the world? The library, of course, because it's got the most stories.
Oh, really?
Anyway, let's get into those measurements. So the base arm down here is set at 1.9. Let's have a closer look at that one. So the base plate is set at 9.2 and 4.2. Let's have a closer look at that one. And the side one is set at 1.9 at the top and 2.6 down the bottom. Again, because there's no measurements on this side piece, and again, Zhiyun, if you're listening, please put measurements on your next batch of these. You're going to have to guess that one, but if you do all of those measurements, that one will be pretty easy to set up yourselves. Well, I wasn't sure whether or not that would balance on here because it's quite a big setup in it, but I'm pleased to see that it does, and it's pretty amazing what a little tiny gimbal like this can get away with doing nowadays. Anyway, hopefully you found this one useful. Hopefully you had a bit of fun while you was watching it as well. Stay safe out there everyone, have fun making stuff, keep smiling every single day. Till next time, cheers and gone.